Are you returning to school soon? Are you feeling nervous about it? In this video, we'll share a few tips to help you create a self-care routine. Going back to school can be both exciting and sometimes stressful, but it's an opportunity to continue to improve yourself and work towards your goals. This can also increase the stress in your daily life. We've all been there. That's why we're sharing a few ideas on ways you can practice self-care now that you've returned to school. Spending 5 minutes at the beginning and end of your day meditating is a great way to improve your mental state. To learn how to get started, check out our How to Meditate for Beginners video. We've linked it in the description below. Another way to practice self-care is by asking yourself the following questions. What gives me a sense of purpose today? What can I do that brings me joy? What am I grateful for? What did I do for myself today? This is only a small list, but it can help you reflect on what's important in your life. Journaling can be a great way to reflect, set goals, focus, and even release stress and anxiety. It can be a few words or even multiple pages. Regardless, journaling is a great way to share your thoughts and feelings and get them down on paper. If you're not a fan of writing, you can also do this by using an audio log. Starting a hobby is another way to unwind and release stress. It can also serve as a creative outlet and help you meditate. This could include baking, hiking, paint by numbers, and many others. I actually picked up painting this past semester and I haven't painted since I was a kid. Tapping back into my creative side by doing a guided paint and sip felt like a nice escape and a serene way to take a break. Here's what I painted after not painting for 10 years. It looks nothing like the prompt, but I had fun and felt relaxed for one of the first times that semester. I now have an entire box filled with paint, canvases, coloring books, and even crochet materials to help me unwind and stay present. And I got it all for free. If your campus is hosting creative events for students, go to them. Not that many people do, and you may just walk away with some free stuff. We love free stuff over here. If you're looking for a calming hobby, be sure to check out our Calming Hobbies video. Finally, it's so important to stay connected to friends and family and share what's going on in your life. This is also a chance to ask for help if you're struggling with something. Your support system can keep you grounded and focused on the goals you're trying to accomplish. It's Ajiro. Hope you have a splendid and enjoyable year that fosters wellness for you. We'll be here every step of the way.